it's Ruthie with Main Street Florist, and I just wanted to highlight some of the really cool, unique plants that we have in right now. If you're a nerdy plant person like me, you're gonna love these things. So I think I will start with our Miss Thai Constellation that we have. I know most people that come in are like, why is this plant this price? Well, because it is pretty rare variegation to get these. This is very much a tiny baby right now, but it'll eventually get bigger and have the split leaf like the Monstera deliciosa. So,
go.
Okay, I am not a fern person, but these are one of the ferns that I could keep in my house and take care of. These are beautiful staghorn ferns. We have 2 of them and they're like humongous. A lot of people like to put these up on a wall hanging too, but they're just really wonky and cool and unique looking, and a fern that will survive in somebody's house like mine, where if you could skip a couple waterings, it'll survive. This was a featured plant of our plant subscription. This is the Calathea orbifolia, kind of like the ferns. If you love Calathea, but they're a little finicky, this is a good one to start out with because they have a bigger leaf, so they last a little bit longer between waterings. And we have 2, and they have big leaves and they're beautiful. Okay, right now we have lots of air plants and air plant kits. But these are some of my favorites because they have really long leaves to them that kind of curl around and are really fun. But these are nice because then you can hang them in something and they kind of grab onto it a little bit better than some of the smaller bladed ones. So, and they're fuzzy and a lighter green. We have cute, tiny little variegated string of hearts. So these are very much a tiny little baby right now too. This is a really popular variegation because it gets pink around the edges of the little hearts. But they're really cute, and they'll eventually trail and be long and beautiful hearts. Then we have this lovely Sansevieria, or snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue. They're all in that. This variety is a Sayori. I don't think that's how you say it. It's just one that I've not seen before. It's a much lighter variegation, almost like white stripes instead of like your green or yellow. Note, this is a moonshine Sansevieria, so he stays a nice light green as well. Doesn't have much variegation to it, but will be a really like pale green for its whole life. Then this guy is real fun. We got this.
I think this is a girl.
Yeah, it is a girl. Yep, it's a lady because this is a booby cactus. Got those for October since it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. But they are really cool and really tall and, you know, look like a booby.
Right.
This gorgeous lady is a silver satin pothos. I have one of these at home. I love it. It's got huge leaves now, but they also will trail for you, or you could snip them off and put them in there and create a bigger, fuller plant with big leaves.
I've got mine at home on a pole, and she's really happy on a pole too.
Mine are under grow lights, so it doesn't have very much room to trail, but so the leaves just keep getting bigger and bigger. This is a glorious, magnificent fiddle leaf fig. I've never seen one so beautiful, and we like to leave her just right here because they are temperamental. But it is a good one to have in your home if you're searching for one. She is gorgeous. We do have a lot of unique plants in right now. Stop in and check them out. We do have a wish list now that if there's something specifically that you're looking for, we can try to help you track it down. Either come in or call and we can try to find it for you. We also have plant subscriptions, so if you're a little bit newer to plants, then You can kind of wet your toes with our plant subscription for either 3 months or 6 months, either 4-inch pot or 6-inch pot. Those are your more easy care, more common plants. But if you want to see the unique ones, you got to come in and check them out.